Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Technology for Future. As in the previous video we talk about YouTube basics, in this video we learn about YouTube, views, and earnings. Millions of people are earning from YouTube in millions. Let's see how. Now I open the YouTube in my browser. You can see the videos and their viewers. These videos are shown on my browser. It means I am searching for these kind of videos. It's called recommended videos. You can also see views of videos. The earning depend on your views on video. Keep it in mind, in the Pakistan, 1,000 views on video can earn $1. And in other countries it is possible to make one view can make $1. It is also possible in Pakistan. It's depend on condition. It is also possible to make $10 on one view, but need hard work. If you are in Pakistan, just think that's 1,000 views, $1. So that you can get. In the next video, I will tell you, idea of video. What kind of videos we can download for YouTube. And how can we upload, all these things see in the next video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.